Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a bed frame with under storage for a king size bed, headboard with power, this video is for you. So I'm gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of all the specs, how long this took to put together with one person, and all the other things that might be important. All right, so what we have is a headboard with a nice fabric to it. It's padded, which is nice. Then you have this wood finish up here, sort of let's say that's sort of like a tan color. You have a outlet here that has two regular outlets, has a USB-C and a regular USB. Very nice and convenient. The plug extension goes into a regular outlet, then it's about a 5-foot extension from the back plugged to in the wall. It's got about 5 feet of extension cord to plug that in. So very nice and convenient. You have a nice little shelf here. The shelf depth is about 3.5 inches deep, and it's about almost 4 inches tall and spans the whole width of the bed. Again, this is a king size bed, standard king size bed. The total length from the back of the headboard all the way to the very front is right at 86 inches. The height here is about 11.5 inches. The height of this allows for a couple options. You can put a box spring on top, and then you can put a mattress on top of the box spring, which would be sort of standard, or because of the support beams, the mattress can go right on top. The overall width is right at 78 inches. The back of the headboard is right at 43.5 inches tall. It does come with extra storage that when it's totally assembled and the bed is on top, which we'll show here shortly, you can't even tell. But there's storage on both sides. As you can see, there is the cages inside. These just kind of lift up a little bit, then they roll out. The one at the foot of board does the exact same thing. So you just pull out. And these sides have a Velcro grip. These sides here have a pinhole grip. Both the side storage is 29 inches wide. Depth is right at about 4.5 inches, and depth this way is right at about 20 inches of depth this way. The storage at the foot of the bed is about 63 inches and the same height and depth as the side storage. So 1, 2, and 3. These have nice casters on them that don't move, so they can roll front and back. So you just roll it in place, and there's a little clip, lock it in place, and it is good to go. And the same fabric that's on the side is all the way around. And this also has a little bit of padding to it, so nice and matches neatly. Kind of get an idea what it would look like with a mattress sitting on top. No sheets, but to give an idea of mattress height right here. For reference, the bottom frame up to the headboard is right at about 12 inches. So it kind of gives you an idea of if the mattress is at least 12 inches, you're not going to have a gap. But if you had a mattress that was even 14 inches, it would completely seal off that and give you a nice finished look. Total assembly time, one person, roughly 1.5 hours. 2 people will probably knock this out for sure in under 60 minutes. It comes with all the required hardware to put everything together. In this example, I used a power drill just because there are some screws that sped the process up a little bit. But again, all the bolts, hardware, everything comes with it. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. How long does it take to put together? Is it something somebody can do on their own? What do you think? So in summary, yes, this thing is very nice. Actually, it has a little side pocket right here for a cell phone. Very nice made. After it's all put together, it's solid. The storage underneath is actually a lot more than I thought. And with the drawers conveniently pulling in and out, kind of hides everything. It gives you a nice sort of a clean look. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have. We'll talk to you soon.